Welcome as we work out this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with our solution. So if you know how to work out this maths problem, you can also work it out so that you can compare our answers at the end of this video. So 9 to the power of k plus 9 to the power of k is equals to 120. So the first thing is to factorize. So now we shall have 9 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 120. So in this case now we work out the bracket 9 to the power of k into 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 120. So the next part that we need to do is to divide both sides by 2. So now we shall now have divide by 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So 9 to the power of k is equals to 2 here. 1 is 2 into 120 is 60 is equals to 60. So this where we have reached now, we want to give the best approach now to work it out quickly within just a minute. So we shall introduce the log. So the log of 9 to the power of k is equals to the log of 60. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of k, so this one can be written as k the log of p. So here now we shall now have k log 6. So we shall write it as k the log of 9 is equals to the log of 60. So here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 9. Here the log of 9. Log 9 and log 9 cancels, so that now k is equals to the log of 60 all over the log of 9. So now k is equals to, when you simplify, so the log 60 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 20. So into bracket the log, then all over the log of 9. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So therefore, now we shall now say that k, so k is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 3 plus the log of 20, then all over the log of 9. So next now shall say that, so we shall now say that k is equals to the log of 3. Then we shall also divide both sides by the log of 9. So the log of 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2. Reason 3 by 3 is 9. Then plus, so the one is also log 20 all over the log of 3 to the power of 2. So our next step now, we shall now say that k is equals to the log of 3. So all over, this one now shall have it as 2 log of 3, then plus, so log 20 can also be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5, then all over 2 the log of 3. So next now is k is equals to, so in this case now we shall now have log 3 all over 2 log 3, then plus, so here now we shall have the log 4, then plus the log of 5. So all of them shall have the 2 log 3, then all over 2 the log of 3. So next is now k is equals to, so log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 over 2, then plus, so log 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over 2 the log of 3, then plus the log 5, then all over 2 the log of 3. So next now is that k is equals to 1 over 2 plus, so here now shall have the log of 2 log 2, then all over 2 log 3, 2 log 3, then plus log 5 all over 2 the log of 3. So next now shall also say that k is equals to 1 over 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now shall have plus the log of 2 all over the log of 3, then plus, so here now shall have 1 over 2 then the log of 5 all over the log of 3. So assuming that when you have log A all over the log B, so this one can also be written as the log A to the base of B. So that is to mean that finally we shall say that k is equals to 1 over 2, then plus, so here now we shall have the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus shall also have a half the log of 5 to the base of 3. So from here now we can as well decide to say that, so finally now we shall decide to divide all of this by 2, so that 2 by 2 here now shall be 1 plus, so here we shall have 2 the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus, so here now we shall have the log of 5 to the base of 3. So now these are now shall be our correct answer for the value for k. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.